Okay, so this is a Blue Yeti quick fix. Basically what you do, man, like if your computer is into the wall, it causes vibrations. It causes vibrations to the microphone. If you touch, like, hold your hands here, you can feel the vibrations. As soon as you take this, have a little gap here between the wall and the computer that is vibrating, you actually can't feel anything here, and it will be perfect, man. Thank you.